Germany is world-renowned for its legendary automobiles. But did you know its automotive industry is currently undergoing a massive, era-defining transformation? For decades, German engineering has set the global standard for excellence. Today, that legacy is evolving as the industry shifts toward a much smarter digital future. So what's changing? We're seeing a rapid surge in electric vehicles, advanced battery technologies, and automation. From connected mobility to AI-driven systems and sustainable smart manufacturing, the entire landscape is being redefined. This revolution is creating incredible new opportunities in fields like robotics, software integration, and green transportation. It's a perfect time for innovators to step into the next generation of mobility. Germany's automotive story isn't just continuing, it's entering a bold new chapter. Drive the future. Start your global journey today with IAEC.
IAEC Consultants. Private Limited. Guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.